Are you tired of watering your lawn with one of these? Going around and spraying the whole yard takes forever. Or tried using one of these. You have to move it around the yard so many different times to cover your whole yard. Well, then it's time for a smart irrigation system.
Meet the Aiper Irrisense 2, world's first 4-in-1 multi-zone smart irrigation system. Controller plus sprinklers, plus electrical valve, plus nutrient feeder, all placed into one. It has 40% water conservation, easy to use, and nurtures the soil and plants. Perfect precision with customizable watering zones. It features a Irrisense response system, TUV certified for reliable water pressure stability, easy 15-minute installation, plant-specific multi-zone irrigation, smart APP control hub with smart scheduling, smart mapping, data monitoring, remote connectivity, covering 445 square meters of lawn surfaces, nutrient dispensing compatibility.
Let's see what's all included with the Aiper Irrisense 2. Aiper makes really high quality products. Right off the bat, it comes with a quick start guide. The reveal! That thing looks cool. Alright, so I just got everything unpacked. It comes with an instruction manual. Comes with a long power cord. It also comes with a power adapter. These just plug right in. They're waterproof. It comes with some stakes to stake the unit down. Also a stake that goes on the bottom of it if you want it more stable. It comes with some jets and a tool to install your stakes with. Alright, let's go get this installed and get to watering. So I'm going to go over some of its features. On top, you got a water pressure gauge. You got a function button and a rain sensor. Up top, you got a rotating head and your nozzle and a little nozzle lid. It's used to break up the water. On the back, you got your water hose connection and your power connection. Up front, you got your solution chamber. You can put fertilizer in there. So first thing you got to do is install this on the ground. It acts as a little base to hold it in. Then this will fit right on top of it. You'll feel it seat in. So after you get that in place, then you're going to put down the stakes. So next we're going to connect the power cord. And the water hose. So once you turn it on, it'll automatically calibrate. It's also got a LED indicator light around the function button. So once we get everything hooked up and installed and downloaded the app and connected to the app, then it's time to start mapping out your area. Let's do that now. So once you get the app downloaded and get it all connected, then you can start mapping. And first we're going to do an irrigation test. So inside the app, you can adjust how far it sprays. Want to increase it? You can also adjust the direction.
You can use the mapping inside the app for perfect precision with customizable watering zones. Supports multiple zones with independent schedules and depths, delivering plant-specific irrigation for lawns, flower beds, shrubs, and trees. It also has Irrisense response system, automatically pauses watering during rain and adjusts schedules based on forecasts, optimizing water use while keeping your lawn healthy. Soil Pulse Microbial Organic Soil Amendment enhances soil fertility and moisture retention while breaking down residues, promoting stronger roots and healthier plants.
I had a blast using this thing. I can actually set up different areas. If I want to water just my plants, I can set up that area, and I can set up another area to water my lawn. I can also set a schedule and pick different times to water my plants and my lawn. Inside the app, you can also adjust the water consumption. This thing does not use that much water, and it don't waste a lot of water neither. You can put it exactly where you want it, and that's where you'll water. So it actually starts on the outside, and then it works its way in. I highly recommend you check this item out. It will be linked down below. This thing will go a long ways. We'll make it all the way to the wood line.